Hello and welcome. Today we'll be exploring a global degree in finance which has made a very big buzz in Indian market. The US CMA program, a prestigious and highly respected certification that can take you and your career to the next level. First of all, what is US CMA program? CMA stands for Certified Management Accountant, and it is a globally recognized certification awarded by the Institute of Management Accountants (IMA) of USA. The US CMA program is designed to assess and certify the skills and knowledge of accounting and finance professionals who are involved in business decision making. It's the most advanced course for management accounting qualification and recognized in 170 plus countries. Now let's talk about why this global certification can be a great certification for Indian students like you. Did you know that many companies in India are looking for professionals who understands financial and management accounting? That means if you pursue the US CMA program, you could have lot of opportunities to find a job that you love.
Really?
Yes, and guess what? Even famous people like Indra Nooyi, the former CEO of PepsiCo, have earned the US CMA certification and used it to become very successful in her career. Let me also tell you few more successful Indians who have earned US CMA designation. Rana Kapoor, founder and former CEO of Yes Bank. Shiv Nadar, founder of SCL Technologies. Ritesh Agrawal, founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms. Kalpana Marparia, CEO of JP Morgan India. And this list is very long. How this US CMA designation has led to advance their careers in the field of finance and management. So if you are interested in finance and management and want to have lots of job opportunities, consider pursuing the US CMA certification. As a professional, I would really like you to suggest this course because it has gained immense popularity over the years. And there are many reasons why you should consider it. The average starting salary ranges between 12 lakh to 25 lakh. And not just this salary, this certification is highly respected in the industry, which can give you a sense of pride and accomplishment in your professional achievements. Moreover, you being an Indian student can prepare for the US CMA program exams online or through self-study materials, making it convenient for you to balance your studies with other commitments. Hence, pursuing the US CMA program is a wise decision. With its global recognition, job opportunities, high salaries, and convenient preparation options, the US CMA certification can take your career to new heights. To start preparing for the exam and to take the first step towards becoming Certified Management Accountant today. If I talk about the job profile, especially then, with the US CMA qualification, you will be equipped with the expertise and credibility to excel in the roles of accountant, auditor, financial analyst, tax consultant, risk manager, and many more. Let's move toward the most important part of the video. First, the eligibility. In order to be eligible for US CMA program, you need to have a bachelor's degree from a recognized college or university and 2 years of professional work experience in management accounting or financial management field. This means you must have worked somewhere where you have acquired basic and fundamental knowledge of management accounting or financial management domain. And you can also pursue the program if you are still in your last year of undergraduation program. Moving on to the exam. The US CMA program consists of just 2 papers. The duration of each is 4 hours. Talking about the exam calendar, every year US CMA exams are scheduled in 3 testing windows in India worldwide. Number 1, January to February. Second window is May-June. And third window is September-October. In every window like Jan-Feb, you have numerous dates to opt for giving exam. You need to select any one or two of the dates depending upon the number of exams that you are giving. This course has got just 2 papers. Exams are online, computer based and happens at Pro Metric Center located throughout India. A student can book their preferred exam date. But let me tell you, the exam centers are still very limited in India. So there are high chances that you need to travel to some other city in order to give your exam. Now let me speak about the papers. The paper 1 of the exam covers financial planning, performance and analytics, while the second paper covers strategic financial management. Now let's understand the passing criteria. To pass each paper of the exam, you have to get a minimum score of 360 out of 500. To pass both the papers, you must get a combined score of at least 700 out of 1000. Remember, you have to complete both papers within 3 years, including the practical experience. If you will not be able to do that, then your registration will lapse and you will have to re-register. Now you will be surprised to know that the passing rates for this particular program are quite high, with an average of around 45% for paper 1 and 50% for paper 2.
That's amazing news.
But that doesn't mean that exams are easy. On the contrary, they are quite challenging and require extensive preparation. These exams cover a wide range of topics, including financial statement analysis, cost management, risk management, investment decisions, and corporate finance. You need to have a solid understanding of these topics to pass the exams. Talking about exam pattern, each exam has 100 multiple choice questions with no negative marking and 2 case study based descriptive questions. I have put a link in the description box which you can check out in case you wish to have the complete details about the course. Now let's understand the registration process in detail. If you are interested in registering for the US CMA program in India, I am here to walk you through the process. The first step is to check if you meet the eligibility requirements. Next, you need to create an account on the Institute of Management Accountant website. This will give you access to study material, exams and progress tracking. You will need to pay a registration fee of $250, which is around 20,000 rupees when you create your account. After that, you need to submit official transcript of your bachelor's degree directly from your university to the IMA for verification. You also need to provide verification of your work experience, which can be done through your employer or a licensed US CMA. This verification should also show that you have at least 2 years of professional experience in accounting or finance background. If you have done articleship for CA, CS or Indian CMA, this is considered as work experience for US CMA too. Now let's move on to the fees and how you can pay them. The total cost of the program is divided into 3 stages: registration, exam fees and study material fees. The registration fees, as I have already told you, is around 20,000 rupees, which is paid at the time of registration. The exam fees are around 37,000 rupees per paper, and they are total 2 papers, so the total exam fee turns out to be 74,000 rupees. Finally, study material cost is somewhere around 75,000 for both the papers, depending upon the providers you choose. The most popular international provider for study materials for this course is Becker. But we can really help you here by getting big discount, maybe 30%, 40% in the registration fee, membership fee and study material fee. Yes, I'm right. My team can help you also onto one-on-one counseling for this course. You just need to fill your details in the form link given in the description box. Just remember that there may be additional fees for rescheduling exam or late registration. So it's important to plan ahead. Although the cost of US CMA program may seem high, it's important to remember that the return on investment can be significant in terms of career advancement and higher salaries. So if you are considering pursuing the US CMA program, it's important to plan and budget accordingly to make the most of this opportunity. Now I would like to share with you the process of obtaining a license for US CMA certification. To obtain this license, there are 4 steps you need to follow. Firstly, you will need to fill out an application form and pay the fee. In this form, you will need to provide details about your education and work experience. Secondly, you will need to provide official transcript and verification of your work experience along with a character reference. I understand you must be finding all this very difficult, but believe me, if you approach us, we would be ready to help you in doing everything, right? Getting your registration done, getting your verification done for the work experience, every step of becoming your US CMA. Thirdly, you will need to pass an ethics exam. This exam ensures that you understand the ethical standard and principle that governs the US CMA profession. Finally, after successfully completing all these steps, you will receive your license to becoming a certified US CMA, and there you go. However, it is important to note that the license process may vary depending on the jurisdiction where you are seeking certification. Actually, you need to opt for the city of USA from where you need to get certified. From which city are you looking to get certification of USA? Like, are you looking from Washington DC, New York, San Francisco, Boston, or any city of your choice? Some jurisdiction may require additional exams or different requirement for education and experience. If I conclude the video, then understand pursuing US CMA program can be challenging but yet rewarding opportunity. This certification is definitely worth considering if you are looking to stand out in the competitive job market. So what are you waiting for? Start preparing for the exam and take the first step towards becoming a certified management accountant today. Thank you. All the best for your future endeavors. This is CA Rajki Agrawal signing off.